Today I'm cooking a simple recipe, easy chicken kway teow soup. We only need to fluff up and pre-cook the noodles. Make the broth, cook the soup and pour it all over the noodles. It's almost as fast as instant noodles, yet it's delicious and more nutritious for health. This recipe is for 1 serving. First, marinate 140 grams of chicken slices with just 1/8 teaspoon of salt. The rest will be added to the soup later. Today I am using boneless chicken thigh with the skin, sliced about ½ centimeter thick for fast cooking. The fats of the skin add a richer flavor to the soup. Chicken breast can be used as well if preferred. Once evenly marinated, set it aside. Then, remove the kway teow noodle from the packaging over a large plate. I will use only 200 grams from here. The rest can be kept in an airtight container in the fridge for another dish. Gently toss them, running your finger through the noodles to fluff them up. They will go from appearing stuck together to being loose quite quickly. Place a saucepan on the stove. Add 350 ml of water over medium heat. Let it simmer for 1 to 2 minutes or until it comes to a rolling boil. After 2 minutes, add 200 grams from the fluffed kway teow noodles, tossing them with wooden cooking chopstick for about 45 seconds to 1 minute. Pre-cook the noodle for a chewy texture later. Do not overcook the noodles or they will become mushy. Pour the noodle into a strainer over basin to drain the water, shaking it briefly to remove the excess water. Immediately add them to the serving bowl. Pouring 1½ teaspoon of garlic oil over the noodles. With the chopstick, toss them to evenly spread the oil. This prevents them from getting stuck to each other while adding the lovely fragrance to the dish. Set it aside. Now we will make the soup. Place the saucepan back on the stove over medium heat. Add 500 ml of chicken stock, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Stir to mix all the ingredients together until the color becomes even. Cover the saucepan with the lid and let it come to a boil. This takes about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, the stock has come to a light boil. Add the marinated chicken and give it a light stir to separate them. This cooks them evenly. Cover the saucepan and continue to cook for 1½ minutes or until it comes to a rolling boil and the chicken is well cooked. After 1½ minutes, open the lid. The chicken is done. Give the stock a taste. It's delicious with a light taste to accommodate the saltiness from the crispy anchovies later. The taste can be adjusted if preferred if the anchovies are omitted. Next, submerge 35 grams of washed leafy green vegetables. Today I am using choy sum for sweetness. When they have softened, push them to the side. Add 90 grams of clean bean sprout to the side for 30 seconds. Alright, the soup is done. Switch off the heat. For presentation purposes, transfer the vegetables and chicken to the side of the kway teow noodles. Carefully pour the hot soup into the bowl. Garnish with 1 tablespoon or about 15 grams of crispy fried anchovies, ½ tablespoon of crispy fried garlic oil, and 1 teaspoon of chopped spring onions and cilantro. Serve with about 5 to 7 grams of chopped red chili for color and a little spicy kick. Mix the condiments a little. And let's eat. Delicious! Silky smooth kway teow with perfect balance of saltiness from the anchovies, richness from the chicken soup, tender chicken, and fragrance from the minced garlic and the garlic oil. Enjoy! This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!